Everybody, I'm LG Geylang Pasar Project Singapore, and guess who I have here with me? This is Drum Reese, Lisa Parker, she's CEO, entrepreneur, author, and the list keeps going on and on and on. I have so much to say about her. I only know about her of recent times. I'm so honored to meet her. Finally, she's in Yuan Farm, and might I add, I feel like a gorilla or a Godzilla next to her. She's so nice.
I'm still growing.
Tell me more about your business. How's it going so far?
Everything's going okay. People think it's easy, but the business is difficult, but it's definitely worth it. So I've been running around, but I kind of enjoy it because when you create something that you love to do, it's never really work at all.
That's great. That's amazing.
And if you subscribe to her channel, I'm sure she's got great stuff going on, something you should not miss.
That's a long way.
Thank you so much, Lisa. It's been an amazing opportunity meeting you.